YouTube channel. So today I'll be preparing okra soup, right? Fresh okra soup, okay? So stay tuned. If you're just coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Lucy Chioma, okay? A mom of two. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe if you're just coming across this beautiful family for the first time. Alright guys, let's dive into the video. I'm telling them back. So this is goat's meat I'm using for the okra soup. So I want to wash it now. So guys, I just put the meat on fire. So I will be adding this Titus fish into it. Okay, so I want to cook them. So when the Titus fish is well cooked, I'm going to remove it. Then continue cooking the meat. Alright guys. Yes. So I'm adding salt into it. The next is non-cube seasoning. Right. I'm gonna stir together. So let's add pepper into this. Okay. This is actually the last one. I still have another cup. I still have the one to blend. So this is another cup of blended pepper. Okay, so I still have another one that I've not blended. So I'm adding another one. This one is blood. So I will be adding chopped onions. Yeah, adding chopped onions. I want to put out the fish so that I can further the cooking of the meat. Okay. So I don't want this fish to scatter. Oh. Please, if you are hearing noise at the background, you know what it means. I always title my video Life of Mom of Two. I know why. Because all this noise. So I want to wash stock fish and dry fish with hot water. Stock fish and dry fish. So I want to soak them first with hot water before washing. So guys, I'll be adding stock fish into this meat. Okay, I've already removed Titus fish. Okay, so I added water. Okay, let the cooking of the soup begins. Okay, so guys, I'll be adding oil into this. Okay, I'll be adding red oil. So I'm shaking it. So yeah, I'm not adding much oil. Okay. Yes. So I just added oil. So I'm going to cover it to boil for some minutes. Then I come back, okay? So guys, I'm back to check it, okay? So now I'll be adding seasoning cube. Remember, when I was steaming the meat, I used half of this. So now I will be adding this, okay? So I'm going to turn it and check for salt if I'm going to add salt, more salt and pepper. Okay. Okay. I'm going to be adding little bit salt and pepper into it. Cooking okra without pepper, like when pepper is not, when you are not feeling the taste of pepper in okra soup, it's not giving. You get that? So I will be adding pepper, just little, so it won't be much. Because the kids, they're going to taste it, they're going to eat out of it. Okay. So I'm gonna cover it and allow it to boil. So besties, I'm back again with crayfish. Okay, so I just added crayfish. Yeah. So the next I'll be adding is, I'll just be adding this dry fish. Okay, I'll be adding dry fish into it, already washed and deboned very well. All right, guys. So I'm gonna stir together and cover it. So guys, I'll be adding this leaf. Okay, this is uziza leaf. Okay, if you know uziza leaf is not as soft as a pumpkin leaf. Okay, that's why I want to add it now so that it can soft. Okay, so oh, my baby is crying. Oh. Mama, is okay. What is that? Who beats you? Who beats my baby? I am sorry. Sorry. So guys, I have this grinded, as in, should I say blended okra. I use grater to blend it, and I have this sliced one. Okay, I use knife to slice this one I use grater to grind it. So I'll be adding this one first. Okay, so why I did it like this is because I want you to, so it can draw. So guys, I'm back with periwinkle. So I'll be adding this periwinkle. Okay, stir together. The aroma is given. So now I will be adding the sliced okra. Okay, so I'm gonna stir together. So I'm gonna cover it just to boil a bit. Then I come back. So besties, I'm back to shake it. Okay, yeah, it's boiling so well. Okay, yeah. So I'll be adding the Titus fish. Okay, yeah. So I'll stir gently because I will not want it to face scatter. Okay, the soup is ready by now. And to bring the semon, eba, fufu, and enjoy it. Alright guys, over here, I want to boil noodles for the kids. Okay, yeah. This is for my son, this is for my daughter.